Hey guys, this is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire and Fireplace.net. Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to be installing a Dimplex. This is the Opti Myst Pro 1000 house here, renovation. So this is what we look like. We got the actual, this is the box, the housing for it. This is the cassette. Got some logs over here and then a mantle. And we're going to be finishing this with stone. So this is where we're starting out at, and we'll get back to you in a little bit and see how it's going. Alright guys, we're trying to figure out the electric here, so the direction's a little shaky. So we took a couple of screws out here, remove this access cover here, so we have our wires that go to the cassette itself. We have a connector wire that connects to the box heater inside here. So this box actually houses the heater for the Opti Myst. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the wires up in through that bottom hole, connect those two, and then we're going to run a piece of wire out and tie that into the house. So if you guys are wondering, a couple of screws we took out right back here to remove this access cover to get in here. So it's not obvious even when you're reading the directions. So it might be a good tip for you. Alright, keep you updated. Alright, so we'll give you guys a little update here. Right now we have the box mounted and framed out a wall here. Working on putting some cement board up here, some hardy backer board, and we're going to be sticking some stone veneer on the face of the fireplace. I'm also going to be mounting a mantle up on the top above. Now, see, we built this out from the wall a bit. I could try if I can make this so you get a good angle for you to see. We built this out to enclose the unit after I hooked it up to the electric. Now, one thing I did is I tested the fireplace before we started building this. Now, not only do you want to turn it on, but you want to turn the heater on. The heater draws 1500 watts or so, so you want to make sure that you're not popping any breakers or anything. You know, it does have some draw. So, we're going to get back to work, and I'll give you an update in a little while. Thanks. Alright guys, we're a little further along here. So what we did is we set a piece of bluestone here to create a hearth. And just started putting on our stone veneer using mastic here. Acrylic tile mastic works real nice, easy to clean up, holds like crazy. And just want to give you a quick peek. Next one, you keep going up with the rocks, and we're going to have to install the piece to hang the mantle on there so we can go around it with the rocks. We'll check back in a bit. Alright, little progress report here. Got some more stones on, hearth down. We just centered the mantle, installed the mantle up on the top. So it's going to be great fun cutting the rocks to go around this. Let me show you another little thing here inside. So the Opti Myst has this manual controller. This is also where it picks up the radio waves from the remote control. So this has to be exposed somehow. So the way we can figure it out is we need a little notch in the rocks here to hide it, so you could pull it out to control the fireplace, and then also, you know, so it's going to pick up the radio waves from the remote control. So check back in a bit. All right, guys, here we go. It's took about 11 hours. We have our Opti Myst 1000 Pro firebox installed with cultured stone around it. It's actually Eldorado Nantucket stone, if you like it, stacked stone. You probably get that at any decent mason yard. This is a pearl mantle up on top of here. We have these available in our store very soon, and also online. So we have the flame effect going here. As you can see, it's very realistic. If you listen carefully, there's also sound. You can control that right from the remote control, or a nifty little insert here. So you turn the sound off, turn it on, heat on and off, flame adjustment here. So we make a little pocket just to hide that in the side there. It's kind of cool. See, now these are optional logs that are in here. Standard, it comes with a more of a modern look. So this would be your normal base that's going to come standard, and then the fire emanates up from in between here, and that's your modern look. This is more of a traditional look with the LED log. So basically what these are, this is the Opti Myst cassette 1000. So you could just buy the cassette, build it in the wall, or like this is in a firebox with the heater in it. You know, and it's all together. This could be set up as a see-through, just take the back off. In any case, this is the Opti Myst 1000 Pro electric firebox installed. This is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire, and Fireplace is rus.net, where you could buy these from us. So we ship them all over the country, or you can come down to our shop if you're here in New York. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.